How to unpoke someone on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the search button at the top right. Here, search port. After you click on pokes in here, then you'll find friends you've poked at the top. Simply click on the person's profile of the person you have poked. Then, after you've clicked on their profile, at the bottom you will find two options. Simply click on Dismiss Poke, which is the second option. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to unpoke someone on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.